I've been playing pickleball for a while now, and it's been a great time. But something I've been really annoyed about is not having somewhere to store my rackets or the pickleballs. And although some courts might have one or two paddle holders for 6+ courts of crowded games, I didn't want my rackets touching those rusted metal holders. And the second issue I noticed is that none of these holders ever had any storage for the balls as well. Although it may be convenient to stuff pickleballs into your pocket, it can become uncomfortable and even hinder your gameplay sometimes. That's essentially the root of problems that I'm aiming to solve. And I plan on doing so by manufacturing a 3D printed solution with this guy. Let me elaborate some more. I'm essentially trying to make a 3D printed product like so. The idea is to make a modular pickleball accessory system. This means a way to store your rackets, balls, drinks, towels, and more, all to enhance your pickleball experience. I'm aiming to make a system where you can mix and match your modules to the exact system you need, where all modules are compatible with each other. This means that you should be able to attach a racket holder to a ball holder to potentially another racket holder, or maybe you just want the ball holder. Whatever you want, you should be able to attach them to any module that you desire. A customizable experience of products that you can share with your friends, partner, or any other player too. I want to be able to make these products able to be attached to a fence first. From there, I want to look into adding a ground module where you can create a station of the modules you want on the ground anywhere you go. If you've seen my past video, you know I'm working on designing these products. I'm currently working on iterating on the racket and ball holder and also designing the connection to the fence. With my most recent progress, I finished a potential design for the ball holder that, instead of holding 3 balls, is able to hold 5. With each iteration, I'm focusing on things like saving the amount of filament I use, or how big the product is, how compact I can make it, and how portable it is for the user. Now, this project is in its early stages, so if you have ideas for modules that you want to design, or if you wanted to stay up to date with the latest check-ins, products, and anything that's being released, make sure to sign up with the link in the description where I'll be releasing weekly updates on everything going on. Overall, I've gotten some positive feedback from other pickleball players on the Dink rack, and I'm hoping other players also share the struggles that I did, and hopefully this is a solution for them as well. Again, this project is in its early stages, and I want to be able to make the solutions that are as applicable to players' needs as possible. So if you have ideas for a module like a speaker holder or a phone holder, please make sure to sign up with the link in the description. We'll be able to create modules that are ideal for you and your friends.